Today, we'll make a flight school for children with this. My name is Tom. I work with the 5 senses, with movement and imagination. This Embodied Learning at Home series is for all the parents who are stuck at home with their children during this pandemic. We are going to use only materials you have in your apartment. Please stay safe and have fun. The Flight School for Children is perfect for fostering movement and mobility as we all spend too much time between couch and bed. Great for enhancing the perception of balance. Useful for measuring how far you and your child are partners in learning. Amazing for developing the perception of body movements. Ideal for restarting smiling and laughing in these very hard days. This is what you need. Paper. Paper. Paper! And now, let's put this thing together. You grab a piece of paper that is a bit larger than your chest. Then you put the paper on your chest and you hold it either with your hands on your belly or with your armpits. The Flight School for Children is a pretend play activity. Besides the paper, you need one more element: imagination. 3 more things before you take off. Fasten your seatbelt, make sure you know where you want to go. Make sure your way is clear. Make sure you've stored
all your belongings, objects, furniture
that may be in your way while you're flying. Then you're just ready to take off. There is nothing more to do but smiling and taking off.
Oh, I'm an airplane on the highway, and I feel so strange. Yeah, I'm an airplane on the highway, and I'm so sick of the passing lane. I gotta know if it's true. They say there once were airplanes that in the sky flew. I'm an airplane on the highway, and I know something's wrong. Yeah, I'm an airplane on the highway. That's why I'm singing this song. I gotta know if it's true. They say there once were airplanes that in the sky flew.
And now it's time to share with your children. Make sure your children are holding the paper by its width so that the length of the paper will cover almost all their body and it will be much easier to start the flight experience. If you have very young children who want to join the family in the flight around the apartment, make sure that the starting position is a little easier. What you can do is avoiding direct instruction and showing, as if you were a mirror, how to hold the paper with your chin, like this. This way the flight will be much more gratifying. So I'll have a go this way. Bye! The Flight School for Children is not a competition. It's just a beautiful and playful way to combine imagination and movement while you're stuck in your apartment. Please take videos and photos of all your flight experiences and post them on all your social media by quoting @embodiedlearning or #embodiedlearning so that I can follow your progress. If you have any questions, you can use the comments below. Please do not bump into each other, stay always safe, and see you next week. Cheers!
I'm a